In this video, we will see how we can import a file from GitHub public repository. So let's click on GitHub and copy this URL that they have given in the example. Let's paste it and import it. Here you can see that it has created a new folder, GitHub, and there is the role.sol that we have loaded. Now let's load a file from our repository. Let's delete it again, and that's my repository. Just click on GitHub, click on it, and here it is. Here you can see that it has just created a folder GitHub, then solve programming problems folder, then remix, then 1.sol file. So here it is. Here's the code. So that's how we can import a file from a GitHub public repository.